Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about the other Python library that's called the matplotlib. Yes, it's just like the numerical Python. If you have watched my previous video, yes, you need to install this matplotlib by using this pip. In the CMD, you can use the CMD. If your Python, if your IDE doesn't support this library, or you haven't installed it, you need to install it at first here. So if you have installed it, you could just type the keyword called an import matplotlib, and you could show the version here. So it's 3.1.3 in this year. For now, the newest version is 3.1.3. Okay. 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 Let's talk about what does the matplotlib works here. What do we need to learn this? Because it shows graph. Yes, it shows graphs here. There's just one word, graphs, just one sentence. Import. Import. You could use. You could create your preferable name to instead of just typing the whole name here. So you could reduce your time here, plt. Okay. So if you before you learn this, before you watch this video, you should equip with the numerical Python first. You should learn, you should know, you should be familiar with the numerical Python first, because I will combine these two. I will combine these two library here in this tutorial here. This series SMP. So mp dot version here. Hold on. Print. Yeah. Okay. So x point is mp dot away here from 0 to 6 of the y-axis. From 0 to 100. And plt plots x points, y points, plt row. Yes, I miss something. Dot PYLOT. Yeah, is the PYLOT here. PYLOT means module. I recommend you guys include this thing. So, okay, ignore that thing. Hold on. PYPLT. It's PYPLT. Yeah. PYPLT. What? LOTMAT. Yeah, it should work. Oh, okay, I see. Matplotlib. Yes, because if you want to check the version, we can't use this thing to check the version. We just use the module, not the submodule. Check the version here. And here you need to add the pypl, the Python plots. So 0 to 6, 0 to 100. So 0 to 6, 0 to 100. So x points, xy points 这属于什么意思的 variable and plot this every point and show the graph. So that's how it construct like this thing. Okay. So you could construct a graphs you want, like the from 1 to 0. The 0 and the 0. 0 is inclusive. And here is 0 to 10 is sorry, 10 is inclusive. So 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, so 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 10. Yes. If here you change to 9, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the even numbers, if you just show to the even numbers here, the end with even numbers. So you just show the even numbers. And here's the same. If you want to show the every natural numbers, you could go to 11. 1 to 0 to okay. Here 9. Yeah, 9. Yes. Is the just ratio here. Okay. If you want to plot without plot the graph without line, just points. Just plot the point here. So plt dot plot x points, y points is here, s point and y point, and single here, single quotes. O plt dot show. So it's just the point. All means yeah, it means rings. Yeah, don't ask me why. It just means rings. You just like the rings. Don't ask me why is rings. Here. How about the multiple points? How multiple points? Just for example here. X is np dot array 1, 2, 4, 6. Y is np dot array 5, 5, 7, 2, 3. Plot X and Y and show. Here you can see, so 1, 5. X is 1, Y is 5, X is 2, Y is 7, 4, 2, 3, F6, 3. Here. Just each point here. Point. Yes. If you just gives the range here, 1 to 9, 1 to 9, so it just gives the straight line here. Just like straight line, because here is 1, X is 1, Y is 1, X is 1, Y is 1, X is 9, Y is 9, so X 9, Y is 9. Here, X, Y, X, Y, 1, 1, 1, 9, 9. So here's the multiple points, 1, 5, 2, 7, 4, 2, 6, 3. So here's X points, X value, Y value. Plot and show method. But if you don't indicate the x point here, so just the y. So let me explain a little bit about here. Or the x points here will be default as the from 0 to 4 to 3. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, because in the y-axis, in the y points, we only gives 4 points, so the x will be 0 to 3. If here is 1, 1, 5, 7, 9, so 8 values. Here 8 numbers, so it should 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. Okay, then here. So here's 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just is by default from 0 to the numbers to the length of the y minus 1. Yes. Is really yeah, but he actually matched with these points. So 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1, 5, 7, and 9. Just for example, yeah. So I really want to discuss about the default value. Yeah, but if you just mention the x without the y, just the x but not the y here. So let's see the x was x1, 2, 4, 6. So 1, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, like this. Okay. So the next one. Y is mp dot array. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And here plots y without x, without x. The marker is plot show, call the show method. So it marks the points here. His x will start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because the length is 5. So it goes from 0 to the length of the y minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements here. So, and the marker, we will mark the points on each point here. So marker is always string here. If you don't mention the marker just like this, yeah, you can see without the lines. But if you want to mention the lines, marker, marker. Or it is if you use the uppercase, it doesn't affect the outcome here, and also is also acceptable here. Okay, but if you just use the list, not the array method, yeah, you can see this is also acceptable. Or you could use the numerical Python, the array method, here. Okay. So if you don't like the rings, you could use the star, asterisk, asterisk. If you want to use the one, I don't know. There is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So if you want to use the W, just for example. So yes, unrecognized marker style. Yeah. Because you can check the marker here, the marker style. Marker style here. Here's circle, or you could say it's rings, star, points, X, capital X, capital X, plus, or this plus the capital P, or square, time, D, P, H, H, V, less than, greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, this line and highlight. Oh, come on. Come on. Only these characters are acceptable to be the marker style. It's hard to memorize just because in general, people will just use this O asterisk or X point these dots. This spirit some of them may use. Okay. Okay, here. Let me show you one more thing here. One more thing. Hold on. If you just mention the O or X, it just turns out X here without the lines. If you just like O R, it goes here. Let me do some explanation for you. If you use the column means dot line. And here this means the hyphen means solid line. And here means edge line. And hyphen comma, a hyphen dot means dash dot line. So for example, yeah, dash and dot line. You just put out dash line. So here's the end of this matplotlib this library. Yeah, thank you for listening.